What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Don't Go to Sleep by Shiloh Dynasty. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar-related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the details on how you can enter to win, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song.
Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning. It's using 3 different chords. If you need the diagrams or the chord names, they will be in the description below, so once you get done with the video, go check that out if you need it. Your first chord is going to be here. It's 11X 12 12 11 with your index finger on the E string on the 11th fret. Skip that A string, ring finger D string 12th fret, pinky finger G string 12th fret, middle finger B string 11th fret. Your next 2 chords are very easy. All you're doing is barring the 10th fret with your index finger, the entire fret there, and then the entire 8th fret with your index finger. And those are all 3 of the chords. Now you're using your thumb to pick your low E string, your index finger to pick your D string, your middle finger to pick your G string, and your ring finger to pick your B string. And that's for all 3 of the chords. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your rhythm. It's going to be 4 counts of 4. You're switching to each chord on the 1 count, and then on your way back up, you're switching between the 2 chords on a 1 count and a 3 and the 3. So what I mean by that is you're starting here. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1. Once you get that down, you can add a little flair in there by doing your guitar slap or your mute, your catches, whatever you want to call it. You're just slapping the guitar strings to give it that little slap percussion sound, and also it's going to mute the strings. That's going to be on the 3 of each 4 count. So it looks like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and then since you're switching between these next 2 chords quickly, you don't need to catch. So you're still just 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1.
There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.